Try to visualize. When income is earned, it is spent for consumption purposes. As income increases, consumption also increases, but may not be at the same rate. So there is a relationship between consumption and income. And the term marginal means additional. How much additional income is spent on additional consumption? That has to be seen. It is important to understand this aspect simply because the consumption in present affects the spending pattern in the economy. It affects the savings pattern in the economy. It affects the production, the investment, and economic policies. So, future consumption, future production, future savings, future investment all depends upon how present consumption is taking its shape with additional income. So one has to understand this concept of marginal propensity to consume, that is, willingness to consume with additional income. Let's understand it in more details. Hello everyone. Welcome to Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Untitled Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered at our website that will help you to prepare for your CBSE and CUET examinations. Before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, then hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Now, let's get started. Marginal propensity to consume. It is change in consumption units due to change in income and is represented as delta C by delta Y. Let's have a look at the table. These are 5 options. Income is increasing from 0 to 100 in each case. Consumption is increasing by 80 in each case. So one can find MPC very easily. Applying the formula delta C. Delta C is from 40 to 120, which is 80, divided by delta Y, which is 100. So 80 by 100. For this option it is 0.8. For option A, MPC cannot be defined because change is not known here. For option C, once again there is a change in income from 100 to 200. Change in consumption is from 120 to 200. Once again it is 100 and it is 80. So 80 by 100 you get 0.8. Similarly, one finds MPC in each case and one can observe that MPC does not change, it remains same, 0.8, implying that change in consumption due to change in income is to the extent of 80%. So, having observed this numerical example, one can deduce that the value of MPC varies between 0 and 1. It implies that incremental income is either spent on consumption or it is saved. If entire additional income is consumed, then MPC will be equal to 1. If entire additional income is saved, then MPC is equal to 0. Diagrammatically, if initial consumption is OJ at income OH, new consumption is OF At new income, OK. Then change in consumption is JF by HK. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.